Hey guys, it's me, Red.
And King Pig.
And today we're gonna be unpackaging.
Unboxing.
Unpackaging.
Unboxing.
Unpackaging.
Unboxing.
Unpackaging.
Unboxing!
You know what? We'll just put both of them on the title.
Yeah.
And today we're gonna be unpackaging Hal. And
A minion pig. I need more servants. I only have 3. I needed more. And I'm gonna get 1 more.
and we're gonna get a new bird in our flock. Although we already have Hal, but that one doesn't have its beak open. So we'll let Angry Retro Birds do it and go on. We're gonna get out of the way now. Okay, now it's actually me, Angry Retro Birds. And here is the package. And we're gonna open it. And it comes with Hal and a minion pig. So let's open. Sorry if you guys can't see the camera, I just have to. Oh my god. It's here. I actually ordered one, but I got scammed and this Hal came out. But oh my god, it's actually here.
First, the minion pig!
Alright. First we'll do the minion pig. Let's open this. So here we have a new minion pig. Doesn't make sound. He's pretty warm. Here's the tag. Oh wow.
Yay! Who are you? I'm your new king. Yay! Let's go!
Let's put him in my collection now. Okay, now I have a third one. And now the moment I've been waiting for, and you guys might too. Open beak cow. Oh my god. Okay, wait a second. Let me just admire him. Oh my god, look at him. His mouth opens. His beak, or whatever you want to call it. It's epic. Hey. No sound. It doesn't even have a sound chip at all. Let's see the tag. It says Angry Birds. Classic tag right here. $2011. Not for retail sale. This might have been like in a Chuck E. Cheese or an arcade machine. And then MFG, whatever that means. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is just epic. Let's see how big it is. Yep, it's 5. The thing said it was like 5 inches or 4. And yep, it is. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is epic. Epic unboxing. Oh my. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified for new videos. Yeah, guys, hit the bell, like, and yeah, subscribe to Happy Guys Gameplay. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!